Hi guys, good evening. So I want to share some interesting setups for Bank Nifty and some finance stocks, which is on the buzz right now. So we will see is there some more steam left, or we are done with it. Since the volumes are low and people are more on the shorts, so we will see whether we need to be on the short side or on the long side. So this video is mainly purely meant for the educational purpose, not for the business purpose or anything. One can take the suggestion of your financial advisor before taking any trades. So here you can see this is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is clearly showing the next resistance on weekly chart comes at 24,000. So guys, again I'm saying 24,000 can be possible on the weekly chart. So maybe within 2 weeks we might see these levels, or this is Bank Nifty, it can reach in a day or two. So this chart is highly bullish, and we are weekly EM at 24,732. So better we'll focus on this. So highly bullish on Bank Nifty. We'll see these private banks again 22 13,164 150. So 600 points still pending to go for finance stocks for private banks. So private bank consists of ICICI, HDFC, Axis, which are major contributors, and there are some other banks also. One can check the weightages on Nifty or any other websites. What is the weightage of the each bank on Nifty, private bank, and Bank Nifty? This is a CNX Finance, which is currently buzzing right now. So here you can see this is also showing 11,600 levels. So again 500 points more to go. So I expect more upside on the financial stocks. Now let us see some stocks also. We have closed at 447. This can go till 480. So just a view. HDFC Bank, again a resistance over here. 1108 can easily give you 1136 and then 1180. So guys, HDFC Bank also has more steam to left, and so the suggestion here is, if you look at these private stocks and finance stocks, more steam ahead, more bullishness. Don't short these stocks. And one more stock I just want to highlight, which I've seen before also. See this, man. See this. This will directly go till 3833. So my next target in this is 3833. So guys, this is what the target is for this. And if we go for Bajaj Finserv, check the Bajaj Finserv, it will come at 7450, again 900 points. So good upside seen in Bajaj Twins. So don't short the financials right now. Hoping to have a safe trading day and safe stay home, stay safe. That's it from my end. Thank you. I'll come up with the another juicy setup which I can see can help you to take the positions also with the help of your financial advisor. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Do subscribe the channel if you like it. Thank you.